Now this is the first function and this is the second function. Okay, integrating by parts. Integrating by parts. Now using the formula, first function as it is, tan inverse x integration of x square dx minus integration derivative for the first, tan inverse x integration of second dx and dx. Is it clear? Now x cube upon 3 tan inverse x minus integration for, now derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 plus x square, x cube upon 3 dx. Now this becomes x cube upon 3 tan inverse x minus 1 upon 3 integration of x cube upon 1 plus x square dx. Now what we are having, power of the numerator is more than the denominator, so what we are going to do, we can divide it, x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Now we are getting x cube plus x, changing the symbols, now it is left with minus x. So what we can write to our question? Now our question becomes x cube 1 upon 3 x cube tan inverse x minus 1 upon 3 integration of, now we can write it x minus x upon 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now this becomes 1 upon 3 x cube tan inverse x minus 1 upon 3 integration of x dx plus 1 upon 3 integration of x dx upon 1 plus x square. Now we have to integrate only this part. Okay, now let I1 is equal to integration of x dx upon 1 plus x square, taking this as a I1. Okay. Now let 1 plus x square is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, 2x dx is equal to dt and x dx is equal to dt upon 2. Okay. So what we are having now, I1 is equal to 1 upon 2 integration of dt upon t. This is equal to half log mod t plus c, or this is equal to half log mod of t is 1 plus x square plus c. Now putting value of I1, now finally what the result we are having, 1 upon 3 it is x cube, 1 upon 3 x cube tan inverse x minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 x square upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 log mod of 1 plus x square plus c. Is it clear? So now at the end what the answer is, x cube tan inverse x minus 1 upon 6 x square plus 1 upon 6 log mod of 1 plus x square plus c, answer.